Hello and welcome to another one of our videos. This is just going to be a quick unboxing sort of review video for a hi-fi system, mini hi-fi system. This is a Panasonic SC-UX100 CD stereo. These are the features. As I say, this is just going to be like an unboxing. So if you're thinking of getting one, you know what bits look like, what you get in the box. I was just purchased from Argos in the UK, and this video was made October 2018. It's under £100. Okay, so let's have a look. So this is obviously just as we've received it. I can say now the box is fairly heavy and it feels well packed. So first of all we've got what is that? So this comes with a remote, so you can control it from across the room. It looks like quite a big instruction manual leaflet. Sort of guarantee, product registration, operating instructions in various languages. It's the same in more languages and in even more, so it's obviously an international product this. And one point to note is we've got two different power adapters here, 2-pin, and then we've got our, let's show these bits first. Is that the remote there? Yeah, and we've got our 3-pin UK plug,
aerial,
and some sort of antenna. Yeah.
Yep.
Here is the remote, and it comes with one battery, which is nice. Sometimes these things don't come with batteries. Right.
There's one unit.
So that's quite a good idea because you can lift it out like that.
There's top unit there.
I think that's the actual. That's the actual unit itself. So that's the front of it. CD, volume.
Unusual these days.
It looks nice. And in the back, this is the back of it. You've got your antenna, aux in, which is something like that. You can get that from Argos as well. Not the cheapest, but you know. And the speaker connectors are actually clamp type there, whichever what they're called. And there's your power. So it looks, and it's got a metal body. Feels good, feels and looks good quality. And these are the speakers. Just gonna get them out. Right. I mean, it is packed very well. That's one thing I will say. How heavy the speakers. They're pretty heavy.
Nice little bags.
Protective bags. Those are the speakers. They've got the wire going in the back. It's not a top of the line system. It's sort of a, you know. And these are the speakers.
Get the right way up. Protective film on that front.
Yeah, there's got rubber feet on the bottom of it to protect whatever you're standing it on. So you've got your main woofer there. And a little tweeter, I won't push that in actually. So, as you can see, it looks quite, it's simple design, but it's not like one of those ones where they've got all flashing lights stuff on. It's more of a simple design. Shush. So that is the unboxing for that Panasonic Hi-Fi. So if you think about getting one, that's what you can expect to get in the box.
And here's another woofer.
And here's the dog wrecking it already. Thanks for watching.
That's what we call